Hey guys, what's going on? So in today's video, it's going to be a quick little video. This is going to be I'm going to show you a data recovery because a local company has some highly valuable data on this drive, and they've asked me to take a look at it because it doesn't respond to SATA, USB to SATA, nothing. So let's get a good clean environment. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so the first thing I normally do when I get a data recovery in is I like to do a physical inspection, careful and a nice little inspection just to see if I can see anything apparent, which I can't in this case, and so I like to give it a good old, the good old shake just to hear if there's any loose parts or anything like that. Both ears, really get it. Whoops. Don't tell the customer about that. Don't show my YouTube channel. But let's get into it so we can inspect the platters and see what's going on the inside, shall we? I'll just do a quick fade to the inside because it takes a little while to get into these screws. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit so you can get a closer look at that's about as zoomed in as I can get it. And it looks okay. I mean, the head works just fine. And yeah, platters, they move, And yeah, I mean, I can see there's dust here, of course. Can you see that on the screen there? Yeah, you can see there's dust and you can see the marks. But okay, can't see any damage. So let's just. You probably understood this already, but this is not a data recovery or anything. It's just me. This ain't even the first disk. I just had one that I'm taking apart because I want to put it on a poster board. Don't do that to discs. Don't do that. Just wanted to be a little try and be a little funny and to say to everyone, remember to have fun. Remember humor. A good laugh. See you in my next video. A proper video next week.